Hello students, today I am going to teach you revision of ratio part 2. In that I will explain about the proportion. So what is proportion? Proportion means if there are four quantities such that the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity equals the ratio of the third quantity to the fourth quantity, then the four quantities are said to be in proportion. So this is the definition of proportion. Now I will explain you this thing with one example, then only it will be more clear to you. First example is, here four quantities are given. 16 is to 24. This symbol, this four dot, this symbol is it for stand for proportion. So 16 is to 24 is in proportion with 2 is to 3. You have to verify this. How you can say that these four quantities are in proportion? So as it is given in the definition, you will take the ratio of these first and second quantity and third and fourth quantity. So you will take the ratio of first and second and you will take the ratio of third and fourth. And if both the ratio are equal, then we can say that these four quantities are in proportion. So let us check that. Take the ratio of this 16 and 24. Writing in fraction form 16 and 24. So 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So here it is coming 2 by 3. And now check this side. This is 2 by 3. Already it is in simplest form. So both sides you can see both first and second ratio of fractional form of first and second, and this third and fourth are equal. They are equal. It means these four quantities are in proportion. So I hope the meaning of proportion is clear to you. Once again I am repeating what is the definition of proportion. If the ratio of first and second quantity and ratio of third and fourth quantities are equal to each other, then that four quantities are known as proportion. Now example 2, verify whether the four numbers are in proportion. Here these four numbers are given. You have to check whether these four numbers are in proportion or not. So to verify that, what you will do, you will take the ratio of first and second number and you will take the ratio of third and fourth number. And if both the ratios are equal, then we can say they are in proportion. So take the ratio of first and second number. 6 divided by 25. You can simplify it. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So in simple form it is 2 by 5. Ratio of first and second. Now take the ratio of third and fourth term. So it will be 12 upon 30. So simplify it. 4 3s are 6. You can divide it by 6. 6 2s are and 6 5s are. 2 by 5. So here you can see ratio of first and second term is equal to 2 by 5, and ratio of third and fourth term also 2 by 5. So both are equal. Verified means they are in proportion. Verified. They are in proportion. Now if these numbers are in proportion, that is 6 is to 15 is in proportion with 12 is to 30. Here this first term and fourth terms are known as extreme terms. Extreme. And these two middle term is known as mean. One more way is there to find out proportion and to verify that product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme term. What is the meaning of mean and extreme? I am telling you again. The two middle term is known as mean term, and the two end term, first and last term, are known as extreme. So product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Using this also you can solve the problem sums related to the proportion. Now example 3. In a proportion, the first, second and fourth terms are 16, 24 and 36 respectively. Find the third term. So three terms are given. First term, second term and this is fourth term. It is given and you have to find the third term here. So what we will do to solve this type of sums, what you will do first, you will let the third term be x. Let the third term be x. And then you write, if they are in proportion, then how you can express it? 16 is to 24, first and second term, and third is to fourth term. So what is third term? You assume that third term is x. So at the place of third term, you write x. At the place of first term, 16. Second term 24, proportion sign, then third term is x and the fourth term is 36. 16 is to 24 is in proportion with x is to 36. Now these two are the mean term and these are the extreme term. Mean and these are extreme. Now you know the formula. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Here the proportion is 16 is to 24 is in proportion with x is to 36. These two are the mean term. These two are the extreme. So you will write product of mean means 24 into x is equal to 16 into 36. Now to find x, you will transfer this 24 on other side of equal to. X is equal to 16 into 36 divided by 24. Now you divide this with, simplify this. So with 4 you can cut 4 4s are 60, 4 6s are and 6 6s are 36. Now 4 into 6, 4 into 6, that will be 24. Now this is your answer. X is equal to 24. This is your answer. Now this topic proportion is completed. I am attaching a PDF with this for your practice. Solve that in your rough copy. Thank you.